Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Glassdoor employer account, follow these step-by-step instructions to authenticate your company affiliation and access employer features. Step 1, go to employers.glassdoor.com and sign in with your employer account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up and create one using your business email. Step 2, after logging in, you'll be directed to your employer dashboard. Look for any verification prompts or notifications that appear. Step 3, navigate to Account Settings or Profile Settings from the main menu or by clicking on your account name in the top right corner. Step 4, look for the Verification or Company Verification section within your account settings. Step 5, click on Verify Employer Account or Start Verification to begin the authentication process. Step 6, Glassdoor will ask you to confirm your business email address. Make sure you're using an email from your company's official domain, not a personal email address. Step 7, check your business email inbox for a verification message from Glassdoor. The subject line will typically indicate it's for employer account verification. Step 8, click on the verification link in the email. This will confirm your email address and establish your connection to the company. Step 9, Glassdoor may request additional information such as your job title, department, and how long you've been with the company to verify your employment status. Step 10. If further verification is needed, you may be asked to upload supporting documents like a business card, company ID badge, or official letter from HR confirming your employment. Step 11. Once all steps are complete, wait for Glassdoor to review and approve your verification. You'll receive a confirmation email when your employer account is fully verified and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.